everyone, Zach here with Out There Vans in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today we're going to talk real briefly about removable table systems, specifically the Lagun leg system. In conjunction with that, I'll be showing you some tabletops offered here at Out There Vans, but let's get started. So we are currently in a 2023 Ram Pro Master converted by Out There Vans. One of the most important components for our clients is a place to eat in their van when the weather's bad. Totally understand, most people will want to eat outside at camp if it is nice and sunny, but unfortunately it doesn't always turn out that way. Let me flip this around. We have a driver and a passenger seat with swivel seats mounted to it, as well as over here on the driver's side, there's this nice bench with a 4-inch memory foam cushion on it. This bench is really a comfortable spot for one person. You can squeeze 2 people on it if need be, but think of it more like a one-person bench. On the forward side of this bench, there's actually a mounting plate for a Lagun leg system. So in order to install a Lagun system, first thing I will do, I will rotate both of my seats around. Next thing I'll do is I'll grab my legs for the table. The Lagun system has 2 different leg pieces. Number 1 is your vertical support. There's a main channel that runs along it with a cutout in the channel, so as you tighten down your handle, it squeezes this aluminum to our mounting plate that is located on the forward side of this cabinet. Next up is the top support, which gives us kind of the span away from the cabinet. There are 2 bushings on that. They're identical in spacing, so it doesn't matter which direction it goes on. The tabletop is stored on the forward side of this cabinet. With this tabletop, this is an Out There Vans 15 by 23 tabletop. Currently this tabletop is actually matched to the cabinets in here, but we offer 3 colors. One is a neutral gray tabletop with gray laminate on both sides of the top. Alternatively, the other tabletop we offer features white laminate on one side and black laminate on the other side. We call it our reversible tabletop. It's no longer reversible once you mount your mounting plate to it, but when you purchase it, you can mount it depending on what the aesthetic is in your van and what side you would like to be the more visible side when it is in place on your Lagun leg system. Flipping this around back, this is the mounting plate for these tabletops. Mounting plate just mounts, we mount it directly in the center towards the back. That way when I mount this up here, it spans between the seats. If I centered it, it would be a little bit more fit for just one seat. But that allows us to run this span a little bit more. You'll notice this isn't a humongous tabletop. It's camper van sized. It's not your dining room table. You can easily eat with 2 people around this table, believe it or not. Both of you can have your plate area. You can have one really wide workspace for your remote work on the road, or you can play a game around it. But really, you have to store this tabletop when it is not in use, so keep that in mind. So this other side, this stud just fits down into the bushing. Shimmy that one down as well. I'll tighten it down lightly. And now I've got a tabletop to use between my 2 front passenger seats. I can swivel it around this way. I can lower this leg up and down, so I can use it for eating or working on my more comfortable bench over here. Or you can even spread it out and kind of use it between these 2 seats for a more spread out game of cards at night. My favorite part about these Lagun systems, especially in a short wheelbase van like this with limited countertop space, I can really just swivel it over this way and use it as additional prep space for chopping vegetables, prepping for dinner, things like that, as we're getting settled into the van for the evening. I'll take you in the shop real quick. I'll run you through our 3 tabletop options. And just as a reminder, I will put a link to those tabletops down in the description down below in case you are interested yourself in purchasing one of our tabletops. All right, now we're back in the shop. I'm going to show you our 3 tabletop color options. Flip this around here. Here is our neutral gray tabletop, our white, as well as our black. And I point this out that they are reversible. Surround, you've got black on that side, white on the other. So when you are mounting it up in your van, you can make the choice which one suits you best. My neutral gray tabletop is just neutral gray on both sides. My finish to it is a Formica finish. It's a really nice durable surface. It's easy to clean off, and it's laminated to a 1/2 inch Baltic birch panel. These measure 15 inches wide by 23 inches long. The white and black tabletops are available on our Out There Vans Etsy and Amazon store. The reversible tabletop design is available both on our Amazon store as well as our Etsy page. And the neutral gray currently is only available in our Etsy page, but will be coming to Amazon soon. And as always, in terms of mounting these tables, I very much recommend buying mounts from LagunUSA.com. Do not buy the knockoffs of these on Amazon. You will not get the same quality. We are not affiliated with Lagun in any way other than we buy their products and install them in vans. And we just really highly recommend them. So shop Lagun for your mount system. Check us out at Out There Vans for these tabletop options. As always, if you have any questions regarding the components we're talking about in today's video, please write us a comment down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and hit subscribe to see other products and projects coming out of the shop here at Out There Vans. And we hope to see you next time.